Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Iran North. This is one of the markets in the north of Iran. I want to tell you a real story. This story goes back to about 1500 years ago. Imam Hussein is the third Imam of Muslims. The end of his life is very tragic. Muslims consider him the hero of their story, and now tonight is the birthday of the son of Imam Hussein, Ali Akbar. Every year, on the occasion of Imam Hussein's son's birthday, drinks, sweets, and foods are served in different streets by those who have a lot of faith in Imam Hussein. Iranian New Year is near, and people of Rasht come to Rasht Market to buy new things for the New Year. If you are interested in traveling to Iran, don't miss my videos. Thanks for watching.